Principal Ma'am, Vinita Ma'am, teachers, uncles and aunties, and my dear friends. On behalf of Class 1C, ISV welcome you all to the morning assembly. But before we begin, let us all invoke the blessing of Almighty.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम।
सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम।
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान।
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
Maya, why is the prayer different today from the usual days? Yublin, don't you know? Today we have gathered here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti and Raghupati Raghav was Gandhiji's favorite song. Jayanti? What is Gandhi Jayanti? Oh, you don't know what is Gandhi Jayanti? Don't worry, I will take you to Granny's house in the evening. She will tell us everything about Gandhiji. Daddy, I've got a friend along with me and she would like to know everything about Gandhiji and why we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, who was a great freedom fighter and taught great principles of life in our country. It is a national festival. It's celebrated every year on 2nd October. Okay, Grandma, but I want to know more about him. चलो बच्चों, आज मैं तुम सबको गांधी स्मारक लेके जाता हूँ। ये देखो, ये हमारे राष्ट्रपिता हैं, गांधी जी का स्मारक है। आओ आओ, हम पास से देखते हैं। अरे गांधी जी हिंदू के यहाँ जुड़े होने चाहिए। नहीं, वह हमारे मुसलमानों के हैं, इसलिए उनके हाथ खुले रहना चाहिए। ना देहाते उन्होंने चाहिए। Absolutely not. He was always for Christian. आप सब क्या कर रहे हैं? Do you all even know that Gandhiji respected all the religions and considered all the Indians to be one, and that's the reason he called the father of nation. Dear all, through this act it's evident that Gandhiji wanted to respect all religions, as India is all about unity in diversity. Now let's go further with Grandma and see that how she is trying to impart Gandhian principles in today's scenario.
अरे आज तो स्कूल में बहुत मजा आया।
हाँ, टीचर ने हमें आज गांधी जी के बारे में बताया और खाने के लिए लड्डू भी दिए।
हाँ, मुझे भी लड्डू मिले और माँ ने मुझे चिप्स भी दिए। चलो खाते हैं। नहीं दिख रहा, चलो यहीं फेंक देता हूँ।
वाह बच्चों वाह, एक तरफ तुम गांधी जी की बात कर रहे हो और दूसरी तरफ तुम अपने शहर को गंदा कर रहे हो। गांधी जी love cleanliness and he wanted our country India to be one of the cleanest country.
Sorry Daddy, from today we'll never litter.
Now it's late. Let's go home. I will go first.
No, I will go first. How dare you push me? I will give you a tight slap.
Stop everyone. You are coming back from Gandhi Smarak and you all are being violent. Do you even know that Gandhiji believed in non-violence? Even while fighting for our country's freedom, he never used violence. Grandma, violence, non-violence क्या होता है? बेटा, non-violence का मतलब होता है हमें कोई बात मारपीट से नहीं बल्कि प्यार से करना चाहिए। For children today, let us all pledge that we will respect all religions, we follow the path of non-violence, and above all will always keep our country and surroundings clean. By now, we all have understood that Gandhiji had definitely left a great impact on the people of our country क्योंकि बंदे में था
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। वंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे पाई पाई में इंसान बेकारे, जान ये हो गई सस्ती रे। सोया ज़मीर बापू फिर से जगा दे, आजा रे बापू मेरे। वंदे मातरम,
Now let us all hear some inspiring words from our principal ma'am.
Morning, dear parents, students and teachers. Today we have gathered to commemorate Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in Porbandar on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. And since then, it's been more than 150 years. But Gandhian ideology, Gandhiji's philosophy made him the father of the nation. Gandhiji was a grassroots level leader, and he not only led the nationalist struggle of independence for India, but he had his very pragmatic and radical values and ways and principles for education. He has given a very harmonious blend of education which includes naturalism, realism and pragmatism. Gandhiji had his own philosophy of leading the nationalist struggle. Today, India owes its independence to this iconic personality. He never talked of violence. Rather, he talked of non-violence, satyagraha, that is, passive resistance. People at that time did not understand what it meant. The path of non-violence, satyagraha, ahimsa, was difficult, but that is what made India independent. He always talked of strength coming from self-realization. So, dear children, it is easy to follow the shortcut in life, but what Gandhiji taught us was not the shortcut to life. The shortest route is never long-lasting. He taught us the path of honesty, integrity, sincerity, and that of passive resistance, which makes a person confident, and the result is always a permanent solution. So on this day, on the eve of Gandhi Jayanti, I wish to remind all the stakeholders who are watching this special assembly on Gandhi Jayanti that we should not let the ideals of Gandhiji die. If a person, he used to say, if a person slaps you, offer him your other cheek. This kind of philosophy people think is foolishness, but that exhibits inner strength and inner resilience. I congratulate each one of you on Gandhi Jayanti. Jai Hind.
Now let's all rise for the national anthem.
गणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।